Thunkable is a no-code platform that lets you build iOS and Android apps using a drag-and-drop interface, perfect for beginners. No coding skills needed. We'll start by creating a simple app. First, sign up for a free Thunkable account. Once logged in, click Create New Project. Give your app a name and choose a category. You'll see the design interface with a blank screen ready for your components. The core of Thunkable is visual programming. Drag and drop components like buttons, text inputs, and images onto your screen. These are the building blocks of your app. With your UI elements ready, switch to the Blocks tab to add app logic using visual programming. In the Blocks editor, you'll see drawers with blocks on the left and the main scripting area on the right. Select a component to access its blocks. Create event handlers like when button 1 click do by dragging blocks. This handles user interactions. Connect blocks to define actions, such as setting text or working with lists. Use loops and functions for complex logic. Use variables to store data. Set app variables for values that persist across screens. Make API calls by constructing requests and handling responses. This enables external data integration. To preview, download the Thunkable Live app on your phone or use Web Preview. Changes sync instantly. When ready, publish to app stores or export as a progressive web app for cross-platform use.